एक्सलन्सी आमचो आदारी बी सिमिया फेर्नांडीस आनी स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ट्रस्ट जो आसा ताचे वांगडी ट्रस्टीज आज हो आमी हेजें कितें धाडटा आसामाक इतले पयस 3,500 किलोमिटर 4 दिसांचो प्रवास हे कित्याक लागून कित्याक आमचे भाव भयणी आसामान ज्यो डिस्ट्रेसान आसा आनी हे फर्स्ट टायम न्हू स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ट्रस्ट हाजे पयलींय ताणें असलो वावर केल्लो आसा केरला फ्लड जालो तेन्ना मागीर मणिपूर वायलन्स जालें तेन्ना इतले पयस स्वता बॉस्को आसलो थंय आनी आज आसामाक सो हो गोंयच्या लोकांचो मोग हें जें कंट्रिब्युशन येता तें गोंयच्या लोकां कडल्यान येता हो मोग घेवन हें व्हेहिकल वयतलें आसामाक दाखोवन दिवपाक की कोणूय असो डिस्ट्रेसान पडलो जाल्यार दीस इज वन ह्युमॅनिटी दीस इज अ ह्युमॅनिटेरियन कॉज हें दाखोवन दिवपाक हांगा आज हे स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ट्रस्टान जें पावल मारलां तें खरेंच तोखणाय करपा सारकें आहा ताका लागून गोंयच्या लोकांक आनी सगल्यांक आमी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की हो पयलोच ट्रक जो वयता आनी हाजे फाटल्यान आनिकूय वचपाचें आहा 25 तारखेर आनीक एक डेट फिक्स जाल्ली आहा आनी जे कोण दिता वॉलंटरिली दिता सगळे तांकां चड आनी चड स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ट्रस्टाचे वतीन देव बरें करूं
तांदूळ आसा कितें वॉट
ग्रेन्स
We are not confined to groceries. It is mostly assortment of towels, mosquito nets. Then there are shovels, there are spades because it you have to clean up. They're all tea garden areas. So these things, implements are required, and this has been requested from the Diocese of Dibrugarh and also from the Don Bosco Institute in Jorhat. Okay. So as per their request, we have made.
Because this is going in a particular place,
yes.
And from there it will be distributed.
It is the Diocese of Dibrugarh. There are many priests and nuns who are on the move, on the ground level. Same way the Don Bosco Institute in Jorhat, they are also on the ground. So they are going and clearing those places.
This truck is moving directly to the Assam, or
yes,
in Goa they is picking up
nothing.
some.
We have they have given it to us. So most of our things are going. Now there may be some additional things going, but it is going directly to this thing. They will go via Kolkata.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, we have been working on this, this collection of relief materials in Goa, and Goa has been phenomenal. People of Goa has been phenomenal. They did it in the time when Manipur was having problems, and that time, of course, we were able to send many number of trucks. Actually, 6 truckloads to Imphal. This time, what happened is, unfortunately, I would say people are not too aware. The way we take it, perhaps people are not too aware. But then whoever is aware, they have come forward in all kinds of materials. And our volunteers have collected these materials from different places of Goa. And then now this is going. Now this is just a, what should I say, that symbolic donations, contributions the people of Goa made. But there are also people who had given us money, and that money is actually directly transferred to Dibrugarh, Jorhat, etc. And the materials are already procured, right from, I think, when did we start? From the 1st of August, procurement of material is already beginning there, and distribution is taking place. I myself am going tomorrow because actually I am coordinating all these relief materials for the Northeast when it happens in Manipur, also now in Assam. I'm coordinating the relief operations in the Northeast. So I'm going personally tomorrow. This truck will arrive after I reach, but thing is, I would like to go and see, exactly how much of damage is done, the real sufferings, the areas which are worse affected. So I would like to go and see myself, and also coordinate a little bit more in detail with our coordinators in Assam, which is the Diocese of Dibrugarh, the Salesians in Jorhat, and also there are 1-2, what should I say, NGOs who are working with us. So we are indeed very grateful to all of you, and also to people who have helped us wholeheartedly. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow we are leaving in the morning flight. The situation is not as good as we understand. So basically, this is our first effort to get the relief material. People of Goa, we thank them for contributing wholeheartedly. It is not our material. People have given us the material and we have collected it. People have also given us these donations and we have bought the material in Assam, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And yesterday we have bought material. So work is going on. And once they reach there, म्हणजे थिंगा पावतकूच गमतले बाबा आमी आनी फुडें कितें करूंक शकता.
in the पयशे बाबतीत बी कितें donations बी येयल्या
Huh?
पयशे
Donation has come.
Okay.
Donations has
So,
come. And
sorry, let me. So, as I mentioned earlier, the donation which came to us in the form of cash is transferred directly. In some cases, people who donated are asked to pay the money directly to the service providers there, the outlets who are providing the material directly, and our people, our volunteers are going, collecting and distributing to the people. Now, one point which I forgot to add is that, you see, flood affected relief is so difficult. In a sense, see, now the rain might have stopped and the water level might have receded in some places, is it not? But the suffering actually continues. The suffering goes on after the rain stops, after the flood receded. So our effort is to continue, and as long as people help us, we will continue to reach out to people.
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Konkani.
देवान आमकां सगल्यांक आपल्या सारक्याची आपल्या रुपण्याची रचल्यांक आनी ह्या जगांत आमी जेता तितलीं मनशां एक मनीस कूळ घडोवन हाडटात आनी जेन्ना कोणाकूय आमचे मदल्या दूख जाता ही दूख आमचेय भितर आमकां दिसून येता. आज ही एकेरी येवजण आमी तोडीक लायता. ह्या आमच्या गोंयांतान हो थोडो आदार ही थोडी मजत ह्या आमच्या जायत्या भाव भयणांच्या उदारपणा वरवीं आनी खेरीत भाशेन स्ट्रीट प्रॉविडन्स गोवा हांच्या फुडारीपणा खाल ही मजत आमी बुट्टेक लागून जी आमची भाव भयणां आसाम ह्या प्रांतांत संस्थात वळवळटात तांचे पासत पाठयता. जाणी येवजण मांडून हाडल्या, चालीक लायल्या, तांकां आमी शाबासकी दितना आमी देवाचो खेरीत आशिर्वाद जो लोक कश्ट होता वळवळटा तांचेर मागता आनी जायत्यांनी फुडें सरून हेच असलीच मजत तांकां पावोवची ह्या वंडे काळजांत बाळगिता. तशेंच वाहन हांगासरलें भायर सरतना देवान आमच्या चलयतल्यांक आनी तांकां सांगात दितल्यांक राखचे आनी सांबाळचे हें मागणें देवाक.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.